In this video, we're going to explore the property margin right property, and we're going to give it a decoration as well. So we say here margin. So to do this is basically here margin, then right, and then we say here 50 pixels. So if we save this, what happens now is we will move to the right, but you will not notice it right now. And the reason why you don't notice it is basically a few items. First of all, we are not besides it. And secondly, this is right now not in the right display method. So basically we have a block method right now, and the block method will make everything at the right side margin. And what I mean by that is basically here with block, nothing within this margin here or within here in this block is allowed to be besides it. So it will take all the space no matter what. So what we're going to do here is we have to change this, and what we have to do, we have to adjust this in a display. So we say display inline block. And once we do that, they're now in line with each other. And refresh, you can see now we're beside each other. Then you can see here now we are here besides. But if you pay real close attention here, you do see there is still some space between here, and this is because of the inline block. The reason why the inline block is working like that is because there is a space between this here. And we can remove this space. If you remove this space here, you will see that here there will be a small adjustment. Let's look. Refresh. You can see it shifted a tiny bit here because that was the space amount. The amount of space probably is about like 3 to 5 pixels. It shifted to the left. And what we can do here as well is maybe if we don't want this, we can do it in flex, where we start to see them also beside each other. And then flex, and then we have to do here content, justify content, center. We put in the center here together, and then they're beside each other. Oh, and of course it doesn't work in here. What we can do is we have to do the following. I will show you. What we're going to do is here we make a new div, and then we say class equals flex. This is a flex box, and I will cover this very soon as well. But then at least you have an understanding how it responds here, and then we don't have to consider the space issue, because maybe you don't want to put this next to each other like this, because I don't like that. I like to keep the divs nicely with each other, so we can use a different type of style. So we say here dot flex for the class, and say display flex. Oh, we can just save all of this, display flex, and I will cover all of these items as well in the other videos. So once we save this here, put it in there, there you are, then refresh. Now you can see it's being moved here to the center, and of course there's still certain things that's being responded here. There's here probably some margins or paddings, whatever. It has been activated because of the display flex. The flex box does respond to a certain level. However, most important one now you can see here, if you look at this painting here, the div, the other one here is also having a 50 margin right here. And if you want to really control this, we could say here flex start, moving it all to the very beginning. There we are. This is the full control of it. And then of course there's still some space here, but you can ignore this for now because we have the margins here. So this is the way how you can control margins and understand here, because here compared to what we did with the top and bottom, the left and right, or we have the vertical and the horizontal margin matter. If it was what we first saw when it was on a vertical level, the div box will overlap each other depending on which margin is bigger, the top or bottom. But here is left and right, you will see later on in the next video, it will take over, or it will just align them properly together without overlapping each other. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.